Simon Ekpa announces date for Biafra Independence despite making Defense Headquarters wanted list. The news reads as follows. Finland-based Biafran agitator Simon Ekpa on Saturday, March 22nd, announced what he claimed is the date for the restoration of the independent state of Biafra, a secessionist state which declared its independence from Nigeria in 1967. Biafra's declaration in 1967 led to the civil war that saw the death of thousands of Southeasterners in Nigeria. In his announcement on Saturday, Ekpa said the declaration for the restoration of independent states of Biafra to happen on 2nd of December 2024. Meanwhile, the Nigerian Defense Headquarters on Friday declared Ekpa and no fewer than 97 persons wanted. The wanted persons include terrorists and insurgents, among others, who are behind violent crimes in the country. The Director of Defense Media Operations, Major General Edward Buba, released the names and pictures of those declared wanted on Friday. A total of 21 insurgents and violent criminals were declared wanted in the southeast and north-central area. They are Simon Ekpa, Chike Doziem, Egede, Zuma, Thank God, Gentle, Flavor, Matthew, David Ndubisi, High Chief Williams Abo, Ebuka Nwaka, Friday Ojimka, Obiemesi Chukwude, also known as Danchuk, David Ezekwem, Chidebube and Amobi Chinonso Okafor, also known as Temple, among others. Few days ago, Ekpa's principal, Kanu, who spoke on Tuesday after he was denied bail by Justice Bintanyako of the Federal High Court, Abuja, disassociated himself from the violence in the Southeast geopolitical zone. In fact, the IPOB leader said anybody who is committing crime in the name of IPOB is a criminal and should be dealt with. Kanu added, "I have sacrificed my parents for this struggle. Why would I want to sacrifice any other person? Anybody committing crimes in the Southeast is not part of this family." The IPOB leader further said peace will be restored in the Southeast if he is released from the custody of the Department of State Services, DSS. "I suspect that some people in government are complicit. They are making money with this insecurity. They know if Nnamdi Kanu is outside, in 2 minutes this nonsense will stop," Kanu told reporters. "Anybody involved in any form of violence in the Southeast in the name of IPOB, let me come out of this nonsense, this mess. Only 2 minutes, I guarantee you, and there will be peace in Southeast." Thank you for watching. Please help us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates.